Hello everyone, welcome back to Iron's Little Bit of Everything. Today we are going to explore the Vatican City, world's smallest country with the biggest history. Vatican City is the heart of Roman Catholic Church and home to stunning masterpieces like St. Peter Basilica, Sistine Chapel and Vatican museums. Today, we begin our journey through Vatican City by exploring one of the most iconic and awe inspiring places in the world, the Vatican Museums. From ancient sculptures to Renaissance masterpieces, this incredible museum complex holds some of the greatest works of art and history, including the Gallery of Maps, the Raphael Rooms, the breathtaking Sistine Chapel painted by Michelangelo. To save time and avoid long queues, we bought our tickets in advance. It's highly recommended if you are planning a visit. This is the perfect place for anyone who loves art, history, and culture. The Vatican Museums are a vast complex of galleries, chapels, and courtyards that hold one of the largest and most impressive art collections in the world. This is Egyptian museum containing ancient artifacts, mummies, and statues. This is Pio Clementine Museum, home to ancient Greek and Roman sculptures. This is the courtyard of Pinecone, a large open space featuring a massive bronze pinecone sculpture and modern art, including works of contemporary artists. Now comes the Gallery of Maps, a long hallway lined with beautifully detailed 16th century maps of Italy, painted directly onto the walls. The ceiling is richly decorated and makes this gallery a favorite among visitors. Next comes the Raphael rooms, Stanzi di Raffaello, a series of four rooms painted by Renaissance master Raphael and his students. The most famous fresco, the School of Athens, symbolizes classical philosophy and features figures like Plato, Aristotle, and even a self portrait of Raphael. The Vatican museums are more than just art. They are a walk through human history, culture, and spirituality, all within the walls of smallest country in the world. By exploring Vatican Museum, we have walked through centuries of art, history, and divine inspiration. It's truly a once in lifetime experience that every traveler, art lover, and history enthusiast should have on their bucket list. Next up, we continue our exploration of Vatican City, heading towards the awe inspiring St. Peter Basilica and the iconic St. Peter's Square. This is the St. Peter's Square, one of the most iconic and breathtaking public spaces in the world. Located directly in front of St. Peter Basilica, this massive plaza is designed to symbolize the welcoming arms of the church, embracing all who enter. St. Peter's Square has the colonnade, the central obelisk, and twin fountains. The colonnade has four rows of majestic Tuscan columns surround the square in an oval shape, forming a grand architecture embrace. There are 284 columns and 88 pilasters, creating a dramatic yet harmonious space. At the heart of the square stands an ancient Egyptian obelisk 25 meters tall. It's a powerful symbol connecting ancient history with Christian tradition. There are two stunning fountains, adding elegance and symmetry to the square. St. Peter's Square is where thousands of pilgrims gather for papal addresses, blessings, and major Catholic events. On Sundays, the Pope often appears at the window of Apostolic Palace to give his prayer and blessing. That's all for Vatican City. It may be the smallest country in the world, but it is packed with art, architecture, history, and spiritual significance like nowhere else on the earth. Our trip to Italy has been nothing sort of unforgettable. Every moment, every view, and every step was filled with history, culture, and memories we will cherish forever. As we head back to Amman, we carry with us not just photos and souvenirs, but the stories and emotions that made this trip truly special.
Bye bye.
Bye. So that's it for our Paris and Italy trip. See you in next video. Bye.
Thank you all for being part of our adventure. Stay tuned for more travels. Until next time, ciao from Italy. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Iron's Little Bit of Everything.